Guys, and welcome to my channel. I know it's been so long since you guys have seen me actually sitting here and talking to you, but I hope you guys have been good. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be the Shayla, MakeupShayla and ColourPop collaboration. I'm going to do first impressions on it. I got the whole collection. That's why I am here bare-faced with you guys. So the first thing in the collection is the Perception eyeshadow palette. I absolutely love the packaging. It's, I don't know, it's like a matte black, but it's very smooth, and then obviously you've got the shiny paint drips. At the back it's got all the shade names and placements, and then when you actually open the package, here is the actual eyeshadow palette. It has a mirror, which is fantastic, and I'm here for all of these colors. I am absolutely here for all these colors. I'm not going to swatch it because, to be honest, you guys have seen loads of videos probably by now on the palette. I will swatch the colors that I use, but here's the palette. We then have 3 lipsticks in the collection. Come on Sis, Quickie, and ooh. We have a lip gloss called Neat Freak, and we've also got 2 powdered highlighters. One's called, if I can get the names, Pose, and the other one is Boomin'. Looking at this palette, I do know for sure that I want to use that blue, which is called 14, and I'm definitely using these matte shades, which is Culture, Thick, and Revenge. And I might use Strut and Slay. God, I can't read. But TF, which is the fuck, is calling me too. I don't know, there's just so much good colours in this palette, but let's see what I come up with. Right guys, so I have done my liner, my lashes, and my bottom mascara. And just for your information, the lashes I used was the House of Lashes Iconic Light, and I used the House of Lash Glue as well. And for my lower line lash line mascara, I used the Tarte Lights Caramel Lashes mascara. We've got 2 here, like I said. We have got Pose and we've got Boomin'. So Boomin' is more like a true gold, and Pose is more like a rosy bronzy gold. And I don't know which one I'm going to use. I'll probably start with Boomin'. I think, oh god, yeah, I'm going to start with Boomin', which is more of the goldy colour. Oh, whoopsie daisies. It's a bit much there. I must say the packaging of the lipsticks throws me off a little bit because I thought it would be the same concept as the packaging throughout the whole collection, but it's not. And then I'm going in with Quickie, which is this very pale nude colour. Then the star of the show, or they're all stars, is the lip gloss in Neat Freak, and I'm going to put that on top just to help blend it a little bit more. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. It's been such a long time since I've actually done a makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy this video, me using the ColourPopxMakeupShayla X ColourPop collection for the first time, and you see my live reactions. I hope you really enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.